The best advice I can give husbands for pregnant women is just be tolerant. Try to understand that this is like the toughest thing women go through. I think, having been pregnant twice, I will tell you that you go into pregnancy beforehand thinking that this is going to be the most awesome experience of your life. And I will tell you that having 2 kids after they were born was the most awesome experience of my life. But pregnancy for me was just god awful. And I think for my husband, it was the most disappointing thing for him on the planet to find out how miserable I was during the pregnancy. Because you start out and you're excited, you can't wait to do this, it's the best thing you do together as a couple, and then like around 6 weeks, like you find out at 4, you're all excited, and all of a sudden 2 weeks later, your head's in the toilet bowl, everything hurts, you're staining, you're spotting, you don't know if your pregnancy's healthy, then you spend 6 weeks incredibly nauseated, incredibly exhausted, you can't eat anything. I mean, I'm giving up, of course, my version of pregnancy, but some people feel great. But I will tell you that that's a minority of patients. A lot of patients feel lousy. So I think for husbands, you have to be prepared that this is not a time that's always glorious and fun and exciting and wonderful. The end result is phenomenal. But the getting there can be tough. So the beginning, you can be really feeling really crummy. It takes all the excitement of being pregnant away from you, which is hard because I think as a dad, you want to be excited. But also as a dad, you're separate from it. So there's an element of you lose the control. You don't have anything that you can help. You can't make your wife feel better. You can't take the nausea away. You can't go to work for her when she's lying in bed saying, call my workplace, tell them I can't come in, I'm exhausted, I feel crappy, I don't want to go. And then you reach a point where you finally feel better, but you don't really have anything to show for it. All of a sudden you're just fat, but nobody really knows you're pregnant yet. And it's tougher than you think.